Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HMD Pulse Plus, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So all we have to do is to open the recents, and if you've got the 3 buttons navigation, simply tap on the button with a square icon or a 3 bars icon. And if you've got the gestures, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, just like that. And after releasing the finger, here you can see the recents. You can remove or close them manually just by swiping them up. However, if you've got a lot of apps open, just go to the left, to the very left, and tap on clear all. And as you can see, we just got back, so we can enter the recents to check. Here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.